beautiful dancers. Thank you, thank you. I want to say something. Bonjour, Paris. Mercy, mercy. Wow, grabe ba? Kagwapa! May Bisaya dito? Lahat! Daghan yung Bisaya? Wow, grabe ba? Kaya pala marami akong kamukha. Pero hindi totoo. Sobrang thank you guys kasi kahit masama po yung pakiramdam ko, pero dahil sa energy niyo, bumalik talaga. Ay, grabe talaga. Kanina, ganito ako kayo. Wow! English, sorry guys. I mean like, I was sick earlier. Now, yay! Can I drink water? What is water in French? Bakit katulad ng bonjour pa rin? Ano po? Can I drink this? This is yours? Okay, I will drink. Thank you. Ano po? Ano yung, ano ng water ng... Bulo? Glo? Bulo? No. No! Dulo. Mahal kita hanggang dulo. I love you forever. Wow, I think everything is Filipino here. Only like probably 10 people are not Filipino. No? Sorry po.
More than!
Bona.
More than!
Bona Kid? Boda.
Marami!
Anyways.
More than!
Anyways po. But I think I've heard that some Filipino grew up here and don't know how to speak Filipino. But it's okay because because the culture of the Filipino is still with them. I can see because their mother's like... Sorry. Okay, I will Jake po. Sorry po? Pero ito po, my next song is title Huling Hugot. So it means goodbye to heartaches. And it's time to move on. I know some of you are still healing, but it's okay because a broken heart can still move on. So it's okay. I hope you sing with me. Are you ready to move on with me? Let's go, move on. Let's move on together. I almost teary-eyed.